morning, guys, or good afternoon, or good evening all over the world. So now there is a man under Pasa's name and pictures. He write hello, so I want to touch this one. So now it's new account, it's new page, guys. You see, don't be the trap of these people. It's not the Prince Hamdan Pasa use this account. I block this kind of person who ruins the life of woman. Okay, so take a look. I block this person so that he can't disturb me. So I hope you will doing this tools or like what I have done. I don't believe, because it's not the Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai you are chatting. So okay, so I already blocked him. This is what I am doing right now, because all of these people using the name and photos of the Crown Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai, it's all pretend person. It's not the real Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai. So don't be the next victim of this kind of imposters all over social media. Okay, so I wish you have a mindset, guys. The real Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai is very rich person. So okay, so have a nice day and God bless. Bye bye. Pretend that Pasa, this is a group. So I want to check. So this woman, some of the woman is fantasy of him. The opposite of this is money. Okay, so I want to touch them. So I try all of these to join the group, so that I want to know what they're doing. So this is it. I want to leave the group. They are all evils. So this is Muhammad Pasa. This is new profile, guys. So if I am with you, you need to block all this. It's not the Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai doing these things, or I don't know. I cannot say. Okay, so be careful. One, add streamer official B. So did you see? Do you think the owner of this account is the Prince Hamdan Pasa of Dubai? Look what they are doing. Oh my God, it's really terrible. So now I leave all this group. Go to hell, all of you, go to hell. So another Fasa tree. So maybe it's the owner of this, or this is the, did you see? This is a Fasa tree. Maybe she is the member of this, so she is very angry. So now I leave the group. Goodbye. Put this in your lungs, okay, and swim in the swim and the boiling swim in the boiling fire, okay, because of money. So this is another one I need to unfollow. I'm not chatting all of this in the chat. I'm not joining, but I don't like now, so leave the group. Supreme. Friend, i-add mo nga itong tarantadong ito. Mag-hi ka lang, tingnan mo kung anong account yan, scammer yan. Tingnan mo kung anong anuhin niya. Tapos i-post natin sa Facebook. Tapos meron pang isa, friend. Yan o. Yan, tignan mo yung tatlong yan, friend. Hamshi at saka itong pastry. Kasi pag na ano natin yan na scammer, post natin ito sa Facebook para mapahiya itong madulong yan. Yan. Mga ano yan eh. Yan, tingnan mo. Mga mangkukulang yan. O yan, babae ang profile.